Our job is pretty vital in the sense of making sure that the pilots are able to leave this aircraft, fulfill the mission, come back safely and expeditiously. I'm 82 Anderson, and we receive engines from Squadron. We make sure we test them, check them, RFI them, send them back to the squadron. So the process definitely begins with the squadron dropping the engine off from the aircraft and giving it to us. Once we receive the engine, we do what's called an induction inspection. So for the induction inspection, we basically borescope the interior part of the engine, look at the modules, and also view the exterior part of the engine to make sure that all parts are accounted for and are either good or down. Once we figure out what's down with the engine, we order everything that we need and we start build up.
Yes, I'm going. Yes, I'm going. Goodbye, baby. Yes, I'm going.
The build-up process usually takes about 3 to 4 days, depending on the crew. Once it's completely built up, we'll put the engine on test cell, which is where we are right now. We have an engine actually outside that we're testing. That process is usually in between 3 hours if everything goes well to 3 to 4 days if everything doesn't go well. After that process of test cell, we do a post-cell inspection. So the post-cell inspection is just doing what we did previously, inspecting the internal aspect of the engine and the external part of it as well. If everything is good to go, we call up Squadron, we let them know that their engine is good. It's RFI, we talk to the AZs, we make sure that the AZs get the paperwork and the logbooks ready, and we issue it back out to the fleet. Darling.